What's one way that you could test a backup?
Well, I think the best way for testing it is to restore it. In one of my backup classes, I talk about Schrodinger's backup, where it's from a physics example of Schrodinger's cat, where it's theorized that there's a whole big thing around it, that the cat is either alive or dead in a box. Obviously kind of brutal there. But the deal is your backup could be bad, could be good. You have no idea until you've actually tested it and proved that it works. And if you run backups and you don't regularly test those, you can be in a position where doing that restore something might not be working the way you think it is. I've had some people contact me and said, well, we thought we had backups running, but it looks like somebody disabled the job 18 months ago and there hasn't been a backup since then. So the only way to know for sure that you've got good backups is to actually go and test those once in a while.
What if those backups are encrypted?
Okay, that's an interesting question because two angles on that. If those backups are encrypted, as in encrypted by ransomware where they're already been hit, well, you're out of luck. You might get them back if you pay the ransom, you might not. But if they're encrypted with something like TDE or transparent data encryption, well, you just need to make sure you have the right certificates and pieces in place in order to be able to get those back, get them restored. And that's where testing will make sure that you've got everything in place with that. Thanks for watching. I'm Steve, and I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you like it, please click the thumbs up icon. And if you want to subscribe, click subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notified when we have new videos. All right, have a great day.